Hi guys, good morning. It has been a while since I've been on here, but guys, I've just not had a chance. Um, I have had to do so much to help take care of my husband right now that there was just no time for a video, and I was flat wore out, and I'm today just feeling like I've been rested enough. We have to get up in the middle of the night for him to take pain meds, and um, I'm used to getting a full night's sleep, and whoo, it has really taken a toll on me. So I don't have a lot of things to share with you today. I just wanted to come on and kind of update you on my husband and some of the things I've been doing. Um, he did really well with his surgery. It went so well. The doctors, everyone was just amazed at how well it went. He's having a pretty rough day today. Yesterday, his legs started to swell, so um, we've been having to elevate his leg and keep it elevated, and he's having a really rough time getting up and down and walking. He's been doing so great, and but he had a rough night last night, and he is having a rough day today. I'm doing this video now because he's now gone back and he's in the bed sleeping. So hopefully he'll get some rest and feel better. But just keep him in your prayers. It's going to be a long road, I think, and he's having a rough time. So, but physical therapy went good yesterday morning, and he was able to bend, and his range of motion is really good. So they were really impressed with that. So we just pray that this swelling in his legs um, in his one leg. We just hope that the swelling in his leg goes down, and he'll be a whole lot better soon. And I don't know about you guys, but have you been watching the weather? We are getting ready to get some really frigid temperatures. I'm in West Tennessee, and they're talking like by Friday, maybe even Thursday, our temperatures are going to drop to below zero, and we could end up with maybe an inch of snow. Excuse me, maybe an inch of snow on Christmas. So we'll see. I'm just really praying that that doesn't keep my girls from being able and their families from being able to travel in and come in for the holidays. But I'll just pray that everything's going to be okay and they'll be able to come home because we have gifts wrapped under the tree and ready to go. I have never been this ready for Christmas, ever. I'm usually up until midnight or later, Christmas Eve night, trying to get the last of the Christmas gifts wrapped for Christmas morning. And right now, I've got everything wrapped and under the tree. So we're doing pretty good. Excuse me. But so yeah, I finished. I don't have them out here. They're back in the bedroom. But I did finish my, those 3 teddy bears that I was making. So tomorrow's video, I'll get those bears out and I'll show you the bears tomorrow. And let's see, I've got 2 squares left on the Harry Potter blanket. So I'm going to work on those and get those done today and start piecing that together. And I just might be able to have a video tomorrow showing you the finished Harry Potter blanket, but we shall see. But I haven't even opened this yet. I got my new Crochet World magazine in. I love this magazine, and it's really got some pretty stuff. It says learn 5 clever surface techniques. So I do know how to surface crochet. So let's just take a peek and let's just see what's in our magazine today. Oh, got some really cute pot holders. Those are adorable. Let's see. What else? Oh, that's a pretty blanket. This is called the Dark Rainbow Afghan. I don't know about the black, though. I am just not a fan of crocheting with black yarn. Oh, how cute is this? It's called a recovery pillow. For anyone recovering from an illness or addiction, this sweet, huggable pillow friend can afford comfort and encouragement. Make it for someone in your life, for a charity in your community. Look at that cute little pillow. That's adorable. Let's see, what else? Oh, a little hat and mitten set. Let's see. Heart scrubbies. Those are cute for Valentine's Day. Little heart scrubbies. Ooh. Tic Tac love blanket is what they call this one. That's cute. Oh, this is neat. Table runner. Shashiko table runner is what that's called. Says combines two meditative needlework techniques, Tunisian crochet and embroidery. I'm still trying to learn how to Tunisian crochet. I still can't get it. A retro pillow and a scarf. That's pretty. Ooh, I'm really going to have to look into some of these. I hope this isn't all Tunisian, because I would be upset if I had to do, let's see, winter tea time set. Oh, that's cute. That's very cute. Let's see, what else have we got? A Celtic knot dish towel. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to make some of those. That's pretty. I like that. And a placemat with a little pocket for your silverware. Cute. This is called a Sunbeams and Shadow Throw. That's pretty. Let's see, what else? Ooh, nestled baby blanket. That's cute. And a Bianca doily. I love making doilies, so I'll definitely be trying that one. Let's see, what else? Oh, I like this one too. For my heart doily. That would be pretty in the center of a table. Oh, they've got lots of doilies in this one. Wintertime Blues doily. Guys, I love making doilies. And I guess I get that from my grandmother, because my mom told me that she made doilies all the time. Oh, look at this scarf. It's pretty. It's called the Arrowwood scarf. That's pretty. Oh, this is pretty too. Warm Hugs cardigan. I like that. That's really pretty. Let's see. Well, it's not wanting me to turn the page. There we go. Oh, cute! Little hooded pocket scarf. It's made with chunky yarn, so it should be a quick... Oh, there's a side view of it with the hood. It's made with chunky yarn, so that should work up pretty fast. Bertina blanket. That's pretty. Let's see what else we've got here. Oh, there's another sweetheart scarf. Cute. And we're almost to the end. Ooh, this is pretty. This is called the Star Stitch Panels Throw. That's pretty. And, oh, I like this too. Berry wrap. That's something I want to make a lot of this next year is some wraps. But that's it. So I like this one. Let me see if I can find, there we go. This is the February issue. So I love Crochet World. I love that magazine. So that's a lot of things to consider to work on. So I finally finished with everybody's gifts except for the Harry Potter blanket. That's going to get done today. I am determined. My mom is going to come over later this morning, and she's going to sit with my husband while I run to the store. I don't even want to get out in this cold weather, but I have got to finish up Christmas shopping. I've got one gift to buy, And then I need to buy a few little small things for our kids for their stockings, for stocking stuffers. So I'm going to work on that this afternoon and then finish up that Harry Potter blanket. And hopefully that's what I can show you guys tomorrow is the Harry Potter blanket. The squares don't take me that long to do. And so, yeah, I'm hoping that I'll be able to show that blanket to you tomorrow. So just short and sweet. And just wanted to touch base with you guys. Sorry it's been so long since I've been able to get on here. But, you know, got to take care of the hubby. So I will talk to you guys soon, and hopefully tomorrow I'll get to show that blanket to you. So take care. Love y'all. And remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye, guys.